Hey there, cocktail lovers! Today, we're shaking things up with a spicy margarita, a perfect blend of tangy, sweet, and fiery flavors that'll kick your happy hour up a notch. If you love a little heat with your drinks, this one's for you. Let's get started. You'll need 2 ounce, 60 milliliters, tequila, blanco or reposado works great, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, fresh lime juice, trust me, fresh is best, half an ounce, 15 milliliters, orange liqueur, like Cointreau or triple sec, half an ounce, 15 milliliters, agave syrup, adjust to taste, 2 to 3 slices of jalapeño, or more if you're brave, ice, salt or tajin for the rim, optional but recommended, lime wedge and extra jalapeño for garnish. Step 1, prep the glass. First, let's rim our glass. Take a lime wedge and run it around the edge of your glass. Then, dip it into salt or tajin for that extra zing. Fill the glass with ice to keep it chilled while we make the magic happen. Step 2, muddle the heat. Now, in a cocktail shaker, add 2 to 3 jalapeño slices, seeds removed if you want less heat. Gently muddle to release those spicy oils, don't overdo it, or your drink might get too fiery. Step 3, shake it up. Next, add tequila, lime juice, orange liqueur, and agave syrup. Throw in a handful of ice, seal the shaker, and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds. You want it ice cold and well mixed. Step 4, strain and serve. Strain the mix into your rimmed glass over fresh ice. Give it a quick taste. If you want more spice, add another jalapeño slice or a dash of hot sauce. Garnish and final touches. Top it off with a lime wedge and a jalapeño slice on the rim for that Insta-worthy look. And there you have it, the spicy margarita. Perfect for taco night, parties, or just treating yourself. That's the good stuff. The heat creeps up on you, but the sweetness balances it out. So good. Let me know in the comments how spicy you like your margaritas. Thanks for watching. If you loved this recipe, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a cocktail.